Welcome to another RV Gadget Fix. My name is Tony Flamia. I'm with the National RV Training Academy, and before we get started, please consider subscribing and ring the bell. That way you get notified when we put videos out. So before we get started, I want to let you know none of my videos, the gadget videos, are paid for. These are products that we use and we want to let you, the viewer, know about. So personally, when I was on the road full-time with my family for 3 years, we used a ton of apps. Some apps help us find campsites, BLM lands, places to dump, places to see. I had an entire screen on my phone dedicated just for RV related apps. Now, we only camp for weekend trips and to visit family now, so we use Campspot, and here's why. For me, knowing that a park has invested in a software platform that allows campers to book online and optimize bookings tells me I'm booking a site at a campground that is looking to improve its facilities and customer experience. See, only forward-thinking campgrounds are going to invest in a reservation management software. So I know when I book a site through Campspot, I know I'm booking at a park that is always wanting to improve, and that means a lot to me. Also, with campsite optimization feature, I know when I book a site, I'm going to get the site that I booked and not a runaround story about how the site's unavailable and we have a beautiful site near the dumpster with your name on it. Not only can you browse and explore on Campspot, but you can also book directly on their website with a low price guarantee and access to personal customer support just in case you get into a snag. I know there's many different ways to book, but sites like Campspot takes away the anxiety for me of wondering if I'm getting a good deal at a nice park. So what do you use? Leave a comment below and let us know. Have you ever used Campspot before? We'll see you next time.